Hello and welcome again, dear students. It's Deepak Tiwari, your physics teacher, here with a new video. Today, we will discuss about the speed, which will be the second part of our first uploaded video of physical quantities and measurement. Today, we will discuss about the speed, their formula, its SI unit, and one or two questions about it. Okay. Now, what is a speed? How will you consider, how will you came to know that the object, which object is moving fasting than the other one? By denoting or by representing this, we will use the term speed. Now, what is a speed? Speed is a physical quantity. Okay, speed is a physical quantity, means it has a unit. Okay, we will represent it with a unit, that's why it is the physical quantity. Speed is a physical quantity that tells us how fast something is moving. स्पीड एक फिजिकल क्वांटिटी है जो कि हमें ये बताता है कि कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट फास्ट मूव कर रहा है एज कंपेयर टू द अदर ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, जनरली स्पीड इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी. And what is the scalar quantity? The quantity which have only magnitude but no direction. Look, speed जो होता है वो स्केलर क्वांटिटी है बिकॉज कि उसका केवल मैग्नीट्यूड होता है, उसका डायरेक्शन नहीं होता है. एंड द सेकेंड क्वांटिटी इज द वेक्टर क्वांटिटी विच इज द क्वांटिटी हैविंग मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शंस बोथ. तो अ टर्म विच इज velocity. Okay, and velocity is a vector quantity, but we are talking about the speed here, which is a scalar quantity having only a magnitude but no direction. Okay, now speed, if we define the speed, how will you define it? We need two factors by defining it. The first one is distance and the other one is time taken to cover the distance. Now, the speed will be defined as the ratio of distance to the time. Okay, or speed is equal to the distance covered by an object upon time taken to cover the distance by an object. Now, here speed is denoted as V will be equal to distance S and time covered, time taken it T. And the SI unit will be meter per second. Look, distance having SI unit meter upon time having SI unit S, which is second, that is meter per second is an SI unit of speed. Some multiple units are also used for speed are centimeter per second, meter per minute, kilometer per hour. Suppose an object which is moving faster than the other ones and having the more speed, then we will use kilometer per hour or miles per hour. Okay, now we having one question. Suppose the distance between the two places is 250 kilometers, the two places A and B. Okay, suppose the two places are A and B and the distance between them are 250 kilometers and the car takes 5 hours to cover the distance. A car takes 5 hours to cover this distance which is 250 kilometer. At what speed does it travels? तो कितने speed से travel कर रहा है? Now simply we need to find the speed, which is V is equal to distance S upon time taken. Then distance is given you 250 and time taken to cover it, that is 5 hours. 5 5 ja 25, it means 5. Okay, here it is the kilometer and it is given the hours, then the unit would be kilometer per hour. Okay, then 50 kilometer per hour is the speed of the car which is traveling, and 250 kilometer cover 250 kilometer in 5 hours. Now if we talk about the two different speeds, that is we have the two kind of speeds, the uniform speed and the non-uniform speed. Okay, what is uniform speed? The object, when an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. It means एक object है और वो travel कर रहा है equal distance in equal interval of time. Suppose दो points हैं A and B और एक object start with A by traveling it in 1 hour. In first 1 hour it travels 50 kilometer. Okay, 50 kilometers. Then in second hour it again travels 50 kilometer. In the third hour it again travel 50 kilometer, and the fourth hour it again travel 50 kilometer. Look here, object is covering equal distances यानी 50 kilometers in equal interval of time, यानी per 50 kilometer its speed is 1 hour. Okay, then this is sorry, this is the uniform speed of an object. While considering the non-uniform speed, it is just vice versa to the uniform speed, the object moving with variable speed. By taking an example, suppose an object start traveling with A, and in first hour it travels 50 kilometer. Okay, but in second hour it travel 40 kilometer. In third hour it travel 60 kilometer, and in fourth hour it travel 45 kilometer. Look here, as per the times, okay, as per the times the speeds are variables, yani object moving with variable speed, different speed, then to cover the distance, then this is the non-uniform speed. Okay, now average speed. What is an average speed? Suppose the two places A and B having distance 8 kilometer between them. Okay, now an object it start from A while traveling and reached at point C, okay, which is 4 kilometer apart from C at the speed of 2 किलोमीटर पर आवर. यानी कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट ए से स्टार्ट करता है और सी पर पहुंचने के लिए वो 4 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस को 2 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से कवर करता है. देन फ्रॉम सी विच इज 4 kilometer far from B, its speed is 4 kilometer per hour. Okay, now what will be the average speed? The total distance is 8 kilometer. The first one is traveled at the speed of 2 kilometer per hour, and the second one is traveled at the speed of 4 kilometer per hour, which is 4 kilometer. Okay, now the average speed, what will be the average speed? Average speed will be the total distance traveled upon total time taken. Look, what is the total distance traveled here? That is 4 kilometer plus 4 kilometer. Okay, 4 plus 4. Okay, now the time taken to cover the distance, time taken to cover the total distance here by an object. Now we know that the time taken is equal to distance upon speed. Okay, the first distance, that is 4 kilometer, upon the speed is 2 kilometer per hour here. Okay, हमने यहाँ पे काटा, इसको डिवाइड करने पे 2 आया. Then plus the second distance, which is 4 kilometer, okay, distance upon it is the speed having 4 kilometer per hour, it will be 1 here. Then 4 plus 4 will be 8, 2 plus 1 will be 3, so 8 upon 3 will be almost equal to 2.66 kilometer per hour. Okay, then the average speed of the whole journey is 2.66 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is an average speed. Now the devices which is used to measure, the device which is used to measure the speed of an object traveling is the speedometer. Okay, is an speedometer. In your vehicle, your motorcycles, bikes, cars, okay, the device, the meter, okay, which is an speedometer, it is used to measure the speed of an object. Okay, now the one more meter is there in your vehicle which is used to measure the distance of an object traveled is odometer. So learn it, the speedometer used to measure the speed of an object, and the odometer is used to measure the distance covered by an object. Okay, this is all about the speed. Okay, today we have completed our first chapter, the physical quantities and measurement. I will be sending the question and the numericals related to the speed today. Okay, that's all for this session. Hope you all understood the basic concepts of speed and the other physical quantities as well as volume and area, density. Okay, now it is all about this session. I'll be coming back with a new video. Till then, take care and bye bye.